Hello everyone, this is Veronica with V's Crafty Corner. I just wanted to come on here and show you some embellishments I made. And I think they came out okay. So first we have this paper clip. Better. Oh yeah, I put some of that crepe paper in there, and then the heart is from the Dollar Tree. These ones right here, I just ripped the stone out. The rhinestone and the backing. So that's it. Here's this one right here, also from the paper pad Love and Devotion, and from another paper pad, this one right here, Parisian Lane. Okay, so that one's from that paper pad, and then I just made a little folder so you can see the little index tab coming out, and it's a folder with an envelope and a paper, crepe paper right here, the white, some glitter cardstock, and then right here, pretty, the heart. Oh, I love this paper right here with the strawberries. I think it's pretty. Okay, and then this one here, it's a tag and it says love ya, and then moi, and then the crepe paper, and then we have just a piece of cardstock with a circle backing, and then the banner. Oh, and the roll from the Dollar Tree. This one's a little bigger. I wasn't sure about this one. I put the black border, and then the sweetheart, and then moi, and then love, and this one's a little bit bigger. I wasn't too sure about it. It is 2 inches wide, but I think it's missing something. I don't know what. This one's also the Love and Devotion. I fussy cut out this this cupcake and the heart, and then this felt heart is from the Dollar Tree. Again, I just tore off the front of the heart, which was white, and then the pink is also from the Dollar Tree. You know, I just rip off the front pieces. And this is how it turns out. And then this is the paper pad Love and Devotion, and also the banner Love and Devotion. This one I wasn't sure about either. I wasn't sure about this paper right here. Not sure if I like it or not. I'm still deciding. We got the circle, then we have a square. We have the word love, the rhinestone, and all 3 banners. I think I like this one. This one is a banner. It says best friend, and again the words came from these hearts right here, and I just cut them out. So it was on it's a foam heart, and I just cut the words out and put them there. So here is the folder. You see the tab, the folder tab right there, and then I cut this from the doily, a pink doily from the Dollar Tree. The side of the heart, I just cut it off and then just glued it there. On the back, it has a circle punch. And there it is. It says best friend. Okay, I wanted to show you guys these ones. This one's going to Craft Purge. This is for her anniversary. We're reaching almost 10,000 subscribers. And so she's having a giveaway. And this is it. It's just a rosette. A cupcake. I have the theme candy. So it's a cupcake, and it has the die cut. Enjoy. And with the macaroons, and then right here the sequence, and a banner right here. and a circle punch. And this one's also going to her. It's a paper clip. Also the cupcake with enjoy and some sequins. It's just a little banner. And which other one is going to her? This one right here. A little envelope, has a crepe paper sticking out. It has the cupcake in light blue. And then it has enjoy in gold, and it has a banner behind it. And it's just an envelope. That's it. And I think that's it. That's all I created today. Wasn't sure what I was doing, but as soon as I started creating these embellishments for Craft Purge, I couldn't stop, and this is what I came up with, and hope you guys like it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.